Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The problems are given. The problem is given: solve x plus y equal to 4x square plus y square into x cube plus y cube equal to 280. Find x and y values. So here logical, critical and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So you have to encourage the channel. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem? So if you are not having any ideas, we can proceed the video. You can continue the video. So here first of all, what I am doing here, I want to find x square plus y square value. Second equation. This is first equation. So x square y square value is x plus y whole square minus 2xy. So here x plus y value is given already. 4 square minus 2xy is equal to 16 minus 2xy. Next, I want x cube plus y cube value. X cube plus y cube value is x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. So this can be written as 4 cube minus 3xy into 4. That is nothing but 64 minus 112xy. Now here I want x square y square and x cube y cube value. So I am multiplying this x square y square and x cube y cube value. 16 minus 2xy into 64 minus 12xy. So if you multiply these two, so we are getting 1024, 16 to 64 is 1024 minus 192xy minus 128xy plus 24x square y square is equal to 280. So these are the values you are getting. So if you solve this, what you are getting here, 24x square y square minus 320xy plus 744 equal to 0. Now here I am taking 8 common. 8 common. 3x square y square minus 40xy plus 93 equal to 0. Now here 93 into 3, what you are getting, 93 into 3, 3 is 9, 3 9s are 27, 279. You have to find the factors of 279. So here 393, 331. So here you have to get 40. So this will become 0. 3x square y square minus 9xy minus 31xy plus 93 equal to 0. I am doing factorization now. So 3xy common. So xy minus 3 minus 31 common. Xy minus 3 equal to 0. So here you are getting two factors, xy minus 3 into 3xy minus 31 equal to 0. So here xy is equal to 3 or 31 by 3. Case 1, first case, xy equal to 3, x plus y is equal to 4. So it is easy to solve this. X value 3 or 1, y value 1 or 3. So there is no other chance. 1 or 3 will get. So second case, this is very very important. Second case, x plus y is equal to 4, xy is equal to 31 by 3. So here finding x minus y value, x minus y value is x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So here you are getting root of 4 square minus 4 into 31 by 3. So here you are getting root of 16 minus 124 by 3. So here you will get a root of 48 minus 124 by 3. So x minus y value is plus or minus square root of minus 76 by 3. So here x minus plus y value is 4. So if you solve this, 2x equal to 4 plus or minus root of minus 76 by 3. So here if you take x value, taking 2 common, 2 plus or minus root of minus 19 by 3 by 2. So this 2 to get cancelled. X is equal to 2 plus or minus root of minus 19 by 3. So y value will be 2 minus plus root of minus 19 by 3. So the irrational roots will be conjugate to each other. So we are getting 4 values. First one is x value 3, y value 1. Second case x value 1, y value 3. Third case x value 2 plus root of minus 19 by 3, y value 2 minus root of minus 19 by 3, x value 2 minus root of minus 19 by 3, y value 2 plus root of minus 19 by 3. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Thank you once again.